This tutorial shows you how to publish a short vertical video directly from your computer. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. After that, sign in to your Google account. From there, click on the Create icon at the top, shown as a camera with a plus sign. At this point, select Upload Video from the dropdown. In the next step, drag and drop your vertical video file, or click Select Files to browse and choose one from your computer. Following this, once uploaded, YouTube automatically detects short vertical videos under 3 minutes and tags them as shorts. Once done, fill in a title and add relevant hashtags like shorts in the description to help boost visibility. From here, click Next through the video elements and visibility steps. At this stage, choose whether to make it public, unlisted, or private, then set a schedule if needed. Keep in mind, if your video doesn't get automatically tagged as a short, make sure it's under 3 minutes and in a vertical or square aspect ratio, since horizontal videos won't qualify. Finally, click Publish to make your short live on YouTube. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload shorts on YouTube from a PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.